If you have a small business side hustle, you likely have questions on how to file taxes for your small business side hustle. Filing taxes as a side hustle small business owner can be complex, but it is an important responsibility to ensure compliance with tax laws and to benefit from any potential tax deductions and credits. Here are my top 10 best tips summarized quickly to give you a general idea on how to get started. Stay until the end and I'll share with you information on a great comprehensive resource to help you to file taxes for your side hustle. Hi, I'm Noel Lorenzana, your friendly neighborhood accountant. If you have a small business side hustle, you'll need to report the income and expenses from your side business on your tax return. Here are some steps to follow when filing taxes for your small business side hustle. Number 1, gather your documents. The first thing you'll need to do is gather all the documentation you'll need to file your taxes. This includes income and expense records, bank statements, receipts, and any other relevant documents. It's a good idea to keep track of these throughout the year to make the tax filing process as easy as possible. I can't stress this enough, but good record keeping is essential to ensure that you're paying no more in taxes than you legally owe and that you protect yourself in the event of an IRS audit. Number 2, determine your business structure. The type of business structure you have, for example, sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, will affect how you file your taxes. You'll need to determine which business structure applies to your side hustle. By default, it's taxed as a sole proprietorship, and with that, your side hustle income and expenses are reported on Schedule C, profit or loss from business, on your personal tax return. If your tax is a partnership or a corporation, then do know that it may require the filing of a separate business tax return. Number 3, choose a tax filing method. You actually have the option to file your taxes using either the cash or accrual method of accounting. Generally, the cash method of accounting is the best choice for side hustles. The accrual method is more complex and is better suited for corporations, in my opinion. It requires some knowledge of accounting, but it does more accurately match up with the economic activity of business transactions. So think about which method is best for your side business. Number 4, claim deductions and credits. As a side hustle small business owner, you want to claim all deductions and credits that are available to you so that you can reduce your tax liability. These may include the home office deduction, self-employed health insurance deduction, and the vehicle mileage deduction. If applicable, be sure to claim these on your tax return. These deductions can be used to directly offset your taxable income. Number 5, file and pay your taxes. You'll need to file your tax return and pay any taxes owed by the appropriate tax filing deadline, which is generally April 15th for those taxed as a sole proprietor. You can either use tax software or hire a professional to help you with this process. For the best results, I always recommend working with a tax professional, but if you know how to prepare your own taxes, then keep doing so. Maybe just have your returns reviewed by a professional periodically. Number 6, keep good records. It's very important to keep good records for your side hustle business in case you're ever audited by the IRS. This includes keeping track of income and expenses, as well as any documentation supporting your deductions and credits. Number 7, report all of your income. It's important to report all income from your side hustle on your tax return, even if you didn't receive a 1099-K tax form. Just know that you shouldn't rely on tax forms to determine your taxable income. You need to keep your own records and report your income on your tax return, whether you receive a 1099 tax form or not. Number 8, keep track of business expenses. You can deduct certain business expenses on your tax return to reduce your tax liability. These may include supplies, equipment, travel expenses, business meals, and other expenses related to your side hustle. Be sure to keep receipts and other documentation to support your deductions. Number 9, consider hiring a professional. Filing taxes as a small business owner can be complex, especially if you have a side hustle in addition to your regular job. Consider hiring a professional tax preparer or an accountant to help you with this process. Check out this video up here if you want my 5 best tips on finding a good tax preparer. Number 10, plan for estimated taxes. If you expect to owe more than $1,000 in taxes, you may need to make estimated tax payments throughout the year. These are filed or reported on Form 1040-ES, and you can make payments at the IRS website at irs.gov/payments. Knowing how much you need to pay in estimated taxes is the tricky part, and that's where a proper accounting system comes into play. Consult with your tax professional or refer to the IRS website for specific instructions on filing taxes for a small business side hustle. I know this was a brief summary, but I have a full course which you can sign up for, which covers everything you need to know on how to file taxes for your side hustle. It will take you from zero to hero and answer all of your questions. You can sign up below. The link is in the description. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Do check out this video here where I share my best tips on how to get started on paying taxes on your side hustle income. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to stay connected. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.